Can an LLC own a trust? No, an LLC cannot own a trust because a trust is a legal arrangement, not a business entity or asset that can be owned. However, the reverse is possible. A trust can own an LLC. This is often done in estate planning to transfer LLC ownership to heirs smoothly and protect assets from probate. For example, a family trust could hold ownership of an LLC that manages rental properties or investments. When the original owner passes away, the trust ensures the LLC membership interest transfer according to the trust terms, avoiding legal disputes or delays. If your goal is asset protection or succession planning, the proper setup is to place the LLC under the trust, not the other way around. Consulting both legal and tax professionals is wise to ensure compliance and maximize benefits. Zen Business can help you set up an LLC and provide guidance on connecting it with a trust for estate planning. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. The link is in the description too.